Right now, Hurtigruten is changing the world of expedition travel forever. We are building safer, greener and more advanced expedition ships than ever created. I'm Karin Strand, Field Operations Manager at Hurtigruten, and I am excited to invite you to join us on board the world's first hybrid-powered expedition ships. This is MS Roald Amundsen and MS Fridtjof Nansen. Named to honor our Norwegian explorer heritage, each ship offers world-class comfort and impressive custom-built expedition equipment to explore some of the world's most spectacular places. Your Hurtigruten voyage will be led by a hand-picked expedition team. Highly experienced, passionate and knowledgeable, the expedition team will be your guides and guardians on your voyage of exploration, advising you on science, sustainability and safety. The core of the onboard experience is the Science Center, an edutainment venue where guests and crew meet to create a deeper understanding of the areas we explore. Learn, explore, indulge with the latest in technology and equipment. Work on science stations, try navigation, listen to the sound of whales swimming by. Share mind-blowing underwater experiences through our fleet of underwater drones. Or just relax with a book in our library. MS Roald Amundsen and MS Fridtjof Nansen will feature a variety of expedition equipment, including kayaks and explorer boats for safe landings in remote areas. This, combined with our wide range of excursions, will enable you to delve deeper, come closer, and explore further than ever before. Hurtigruten offers journeys for all your senses. Our new ships will feature 3 exciting restaurants to choose from. Aune, the main dining experience, Fredheim for social international flair, and Lindstrøm, our specialty restaurant for those special occasions. The stunning scenery will be reflected in natural Scandinavian design and materials throughout the ship. All suites and cabins are outside. 50% have private balconies. Some suites feature private outdoor jacuzzis with spectacular views. These groundbreaking hybrid ships are world-class explorer vessels with a specially designed ice-strengthened hull and propellers for traversing ice. They feature the latest navigational and safety equipment, advanced green technology, heat recovery, hybrid propulsion and battery packs. Throughout your journey, this will significantly reduce emissions, and imagine gliding through the landscape with no emissions at all. I invite you to join our pioneering heritage and sail with Hurtigruten on greener, safer and more advanced expedition ships. Be a part of the next chapter in our more than 125 years of history of voyaging beyond the horizon, a history that led us where we are today, world leaders in exploration travel.